Hello, welcome. Question number 18, WASSCE 2024, May-June edition for Nigerian. Gifty, Justina, and Frank shared 60 oranges in the ratio 5:3:7, respectively. How many oranges did Justina receive? So this is just a simple division of a quantity according to a given ratio. We can find the total part or total division. Then we divide the orange into one part. What will be the number of orange in that one part? Then multiply by 3 to get our answer direct. Or we just go ahead and find total ratio as 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is going to be what? 15. Then ratio corresponding to Justina is 3. So Justina is going to take 3 share out of the 15 division of the oranges they are sharing, which is the 60 oranges. So this will go into itself 1, go here, I guess 4 times. So 4 times 3 will give us 12 oranges, just like that. Or better still, we can find a division of 1. There are 15 parts. This orange will be shared in 15 parts. So how many oranges are in one part? So if you divide, you will get 4, meaning 4 oranges in one part. Then Justina is taking 3 group of that. 4, 4, 4. And that will be 12 oranges. The same approach, right? Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.